In a shocking discovery, the humble toothbrush is revealed to be more than just a simple cleaning tool, a tool used by billions worldwide. The toothbrush is a marvel of engineering that requires a deep understanding of food science and cooking chemistry. So, what makes a toothbrush tick? To begin, let's explore the fascinating world of toothbrush bristles. These tiny fibers are made from a variety of materials, including nylon, polyester, and even boar hair. But did you know that the type of bristles used can significantly impact the effectiveness of your toothbrush? For example, nylon bristles are soft and gentle, making them perfect for sensitive teeth and gums. On the other hand, boar hair bristles are stiffer and more effective at removing plaque and food particles. But that's not the strangest part. The shape and size of the bristles can also affect the toothbrush's performance. Imagine a toothbrush with bristles that are too long or too short. It would be virtually useless. But to help remove bristles are plaque and just the stains from teeth. The toothpaste itself plays a crucial role in the toothbrush's effectiveness.
Toothpaste is a complex mixture of ingredients, including abrasives, detergents, and flavorings. The abrasives in toothpaste, such as silica and calcium carbonate, help remove plaque and stains from teeth.
But did you know that the type of abrasives used can also impact the toothpaste's effectiveness? For example, silica is a gentle abrasive that is perfect for daily use, while calcium carbonate is more aggressive and should be used with caution. But that's not the only factor at play. The pH level of the toothpaste can also impact its effectiveness. Toothpaste with a high pH level can help neutralize acid in the mouth, while toothpaste with a low pH level can actually exacerbate the problem. And then something unexpected happened. Scientists discovered that the shape of the toothbrush head can also impact its effectiveness. A toothbrush with a curved head can reach more areas of the mouth, while a toothbrush with a straight head can be more effective at removing plaque from the back sides of teeth. But wait until you hear what comes next. The type of handle used can also impact the toothbrush's effectiveness. A toothbrush with a non-slip handle can be easier to grip and maneuver, while a toothbrush with a smooth handle can be more prone to slipping. But that's not the strangest part. Some toothbrushes even have built-in timers and pressure sensors to help you brush more effectively. Imagine a toothbrush that can detect when you're brushing too hard or too long. It would be a game changer for oral hygiene. But the toothbrush is just the beginning. The entire process of brushing your teeth is a complex interplay of science and chemistry. So, what does this mean for you and your oral hygiene? In short, the type of toothbrush you use can significantly impact the effectiveness of your brushing. By choosing the right toothbrush for your needs, you can help keep your teeth and gums healthy for years to come. So, next time you reach for your toothbrush, remember the incredible science and chemistry that goes into making it work. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries and stay up to date on the latest science and technology news. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the science of toothbrushes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to brush your teeth regularly.